Common CV mistakes that get you rejected by AliAzizQualityEducation.
AliAzizQualityEducation channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
A CV is your first impression on an employer. Many candidates are rejected not because they lack skills, but because their CV contains common mistakes. Even small errors can stop your CV from getting shortlisted. Let's understand the biggest CV mistakes that cause rejection. 1. Using a generic CV for every job. One of the biggest mistakes is sending the same CV to every company. Employers want to see job-specific skills, relevant experience, matching keywords. If your CV looks general, recruiters assume you are not serious about the role. 2. No keywords for ATS systems. Most companies now use ATS software to filter CVs. If your CV does not contain keywords from the job description, it may never reach a human recruiter. It gets automatically rejected. Always add skills and terms mentioned in the job ads. 3. Too long or too short CV. A CV should not be 5 to 6 pages long, or only half a page. The ideal length: freshers, 1 page. Experienced, 2 pages. Recruiters spend only 6 to 10 seconds scanning a CV. 4. Poor formatting and design. Messy CVs are often rejected instantly. Common formatting mistakes: too many fonts, small unreadable text, no headings, bad alignment. A CV must look clean, professional, and easy to scan. 5. Spelling and grammar mistakes. This is a very common rejection reason. Errors show carelessness, lack of professionalism. Always proofread your CV before sending. 6. Writing duties instead of achievements. Many candidates only list job responsibilities. Employers want to see results. Instead of writing, responsible for managing team. Write, managed a team of 10 people and improved productivity by 20%. 7. Including irrelevant information. Avoid adding hobbies unrelated to the job, personal details like height, religion, CNIC, old or unrelated work experience. Keep your CV focused and relevant. 8. Weak professional summary. Your CV summary should quickly explain who you are, what you can do, why you are valuable. A weak summary reduces interest immediately. 9. No clear skills section. Many candidates forget to highlight their skills clearly. Create a separate section showing technical skills, soft skills, tools and software knowledge. This helps recruiters scan quickly. 10. Not updating your CV. Sending an outdated CV is a big mistake. Always update latest experience, new skills, recent achievements. An old CV shows lack of effort. Conclusion: most CV rejections happen because of simple mistakes, not lack of qualifications. If you avoid these common errors and create a clear, professional, and targeted CV, your chances of getting shortlisted will increase significantly.